Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for environmental research. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for environmental research. Here are some ways you can use ChatGPT to support your research. Natural Language Processing Task or NLP. ChatGPT can help you with NLP tasks like sentimental analysis, top modeling, and language translation. For example, you can use sentiment analysis to analyze public opinion on environmental issues or use topic modeling to identify common themes in an environmental discussions. Next is data analysis and modeling. ChatGPT can help you with data analysis and modeling. For example, you can use ChatGPT to create predictive models to forecast the impact of climate change on a particular region or species. You can also use ChatGPT to analyze large datasets and identify patterns and trends. Generating reports. ChatGPT can help you generate reports based on your research findings. For example, you can use ChatGPT to summarize your research finding in a concise and easy to understand manner, or use it to generate reports for stakeholders and policymakers. Answering questions. ChatGPT can help you answer questions related to environmental research. For example, you can use ChatGPT to answer questions related to climate change, sustainable energy, or environmental policy. To use ChatGPT for environmental research, you will need to have a good understanding of the subject matter and the data you're working with. You will also need to have a basic knowledge of programming and machine learning techniques. Additionally, it is important to remember that ChatGPT is not a substitute for human expertise and should be used to support and enhance your research efforts. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!